How to make Google Lens photos history to be deleted. Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can delete the history of Google Lens photo. So let's get started with it. For that you need to tap on your profile at the top right. After tapping on it, you need to go on manage Google account. After entering your Google account, you need to scroll right side to the data and privacy section. So under data and privacy, you need to search for wave and app activity. You may just scroll down and search for that option, but if you don't find it, just search for it, wave and app activity. Under that, you get the option of Google Lens. So here you see the Google Lens icon, just tap on it. After tapping on it, what you need to do is tap on this auto delete option. You may customize it accordingly, like 3 months, 18 months, 36 months. I'm gonna keep it to 3 months and tap on next and tap on confirm to delete everything, including the data within your 3 months, and your data has been deleted, and tap on got it. So in that way you can delete your Google Lens photos activities very easily. Just follow the process that I showed you and that will give you the result that you're looking for. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.